We are now discussing the harmful effects of fuels. Increased fuel consumption has led to harmful effects on the environment in the cases that we are discussing now. The first one is fuels like wood, coal, and petroleum products release unburnt carbon particles. These carbon particles of smoke or ash get suspended in the air. Excessive amount of these particles in the air cause breathing problems. In winter, these particles produce smog, which is very harmful to plants as well as animals. What is smog? Smog is smoke plus what? Smoke plus fog. Fog and smoke together is known as smog. Incomplete combustion of carbon fuels results in the formation of carbon monoxide gas. It is a very poisonous gas. Even small amounts of carbon monoxide in air can cause breathing problems. A large amount of it can prove fatal. Combustion of most of the fuels release carbon dioxide in the environment. Excess of carbon dioxide in air can trap heat energy, which can raise the temperature of the earth. This is termed as a global warming. This can result in the melting of polar glaciers, which in turn can lead to a rise in the sea level, causing floods in the coastal areas. Burning of coal and diesel releases sulfur dioxide gas. It is an extremely suffocating gas. It can dissolve in water vapors which are present in the atmosphere to produce sulfuric acid. When it rains, this acid that is produced by the combination of these gases, sulfur dioxide with water vapors, it comes down and it causes a damage to the buildings, it causes damage to the plants and trees, and it causes damage to the aquatic life also. Such rain is called as acid rain. The use of diesel and petrol as fuels in automobiles is being replaced by CNG. This is because CNG produces less harmful products and is therefore a more eco-friendly and cleaner fuel.